everyone, my name is Michael Hart. I'm going to show you some core Linux skills for this Linux interview. Let's check out uname-a. So this tells us about the system kernel and hardware. sb underscore release. Let's do a -a. So yes, we are on Ubuntu 24.04.3. It's an LTS. Who am I? I'm root. What if I exit? Who am I? Heart. Let's print working directory. I'm in home/heart. Go through some navigation here. ls to list. We can do an ls-la to list it out nice and pretty. ls-lh so that those sizes are human readable. I want to move around. We're already in etc, so we can go cd/home. So we got some of that. So cd- will take you to the previous folder you were at. Won't take you home, take you to the previous folder. Took us back to etc, right, as we can see in both places. If you do a cd tilde, that will take you home. So it's home/heart. And then if you cd ... you will go up a folder. A tree, you can go -l cat os release. We can less, which is a paging program that lets you look up and down. So let's look at syslog. Let's grep for something. Now grep, the G is global, RE is regular expressions, and P is print out. The -I gives you case insensitive. Let's do a journalctl -P for priority. We want the error priority, and we only want since the last boot. All kinds of fun stuff. Do the find, and we want to find in the home directory. Now this is going to search the home directory of the user that it is right now, so it's going to be the root home directory. So let's see if we... Okay, so all those scans that I've done, and we can cat one of them so we can have a look. root/scan results / let's look at scan initial. So when I scan, this is really cool, shows you that this is the command you used and all that. Alright, we'll quickly show here some package management. So we'll do an apt update. Package list R is I'll show you that there. Another place that we have is this guy. Can cat one of those, cat. See what's in there. Upgradable. Tell me what we can update. Okay. Now, this is the fun part. We're going to edit it out because it's going to take forever. In fact, I'll probably just stop recording. Because it's going to update my GitLab, and GitLab is a gig. Okay, let's end this with an alias. So you'll see that grcll does not want to play, so we will do alias ll equals single quote grcls -lah single quote. Now when we do an ll, bam. Alright, thank you for watching. Go check out my website, thronewolf.com, and we'll see you at the next one.